besties, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. I started my day with a cozy little reading sesh. I'm reading Court of Winter. It's just giving winter vibes and I absolutely love it. We don't really have like an agenda today. I actually have a ton of computer work I needed to do today. I also need to get my nails fixed because 3 of my nails are starting to peel off. I'm trying not to get mad about it, but like when I go out of my way and pay for something to be done, like I would hope that it's of good quality. I got my nails done at the salon for the first time in like 2 months and 3 of my nails are peeling off. That's irritating and it's killing my vibe. So I'm gonna call to see if they can quickly fit me in. I totally forgot that I had this advent calendar from L'Occitane. They sent it to me back in November and I just totally forgot about it. So we opened 3 little doors today. L'Occitane is definitely one of my favorite body care brands. Like they just have such good stuff. I love their hand creams. Their almond oil is one of my favorite products ever from them. It's so good. I need to remember to open a door every single day this month and now we can just like open it together. I think that'd be so cute. So yeah, today's more of like a normal mundane day in the life. I just want to keep it real because not every day is going to be this like glamorous holiday Christmassy vibe vlog, and that's perfectly okay. I want to love like the normal days. I think sometimes like with Vlogmas and just like the holiday season, there's like these expectations to be doing really Christmassy holiday things every day, and sometimes it gets a little bit overwhelming for me. I'm like, oh, I should be doing this, I should be doing that, I should be romanticizing this, but it's like not healthy. Like it's okay to have just normal working days. So that is the vibe for today. And then if I have time today, I really want to start How My Neighbor Stole Christmas. This is our 2nd December book of the month in the Besties book club. Being that our first one, Court of Winter, is fantasy, I don't think it'll be a problem balancing just a normal holiday romance book. I'm really interested to start this because it's been trending and so I want to see what all the hype is about. So for this week we have 2 videos that I'd like us to start editing. Another day in the life of a real estate investor, but with timestamps and with like titles. Thank you. Bye. I'm back from my little touch-up nail appointment and I can already feel the difference. I could tell like the way they applied it the first time was just not gonna stay, but we are back and it's my favorite color of all time. I came home to a very exciting package at my doorstep from none other than Glossier. I've been manifesting to be put on Glossier's PR list, and so when they reached out, I was just so over the moon. So I thought we could unbox it together because they said it's their holiday mailer. So I feel like it's gonna be so cute. Are you joking? What is this? Oh my, are you kidding? This is so iconic. These colors are everything. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use this. A sweatshirt? You're joking. Oh my. I say we put this on right now. Whoa, that's an interesting touch. I have never seen that in my life. It's like a safety pin accessory. Oh my gosh. Okay, what the heck? This is like low-key seatbelt material. What the heck? Let's try her on. It looks so cozy. Oh my gosh. What? Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I don't love this. Like, I don't know what, maybe you're supposed to take it out? The color is everything though. Okay, I just took it out. I just think it looks so much better without those large straps. This color is everything. It's like this rich, purpley burgundy vibe. I'm obsessed. I'm even more excited for this cute little coffee mug. I can't wait to put some hot cocoa in here. It's gonna be so cute. I'm obsessed. I'm just feeling so grateful and just so over the moon about this. And I really wanted to just like also touch on something that I've been really thinking about lately. I wanted to share some appreciation to everyone who has supported me on this channel, whether it be on YouTube, my other social media channels, etc. I really just wanted to express my gratitude towards you guys because I mentioned this before, but my YouTube community just means the world to me. I feel like I just connect on a deeper level with the community on YouTube than my other socials. I do tend to share a lot more of my life with you guys, just because like you guys are so supportive and just so positive and uplifting. I just really hope that my little corner of the internet is as comforting to you as it is to me. I genuinely look forward to filming videos specifically for YouTube and posting every week, and I'm literally the most consistent on YouTube compared to anything else. But yeah, I'm just feeling a little bit like overwhelmed with like gratitude, especially during Vlogmas and especially during the holiday season. I'm just very, very grateful for you guys for supporting me. You guys mean the most to me. With that being said, I want to do a little holiday giveaway in an upcoming Vlogmas episode. I have so many goodies that I want to spoil you guys with to share my appreciation. So stay tuned for giveaway in an upcoming Vlogmas episode. But anyways, not to get all emo with you guys, but now I want to hop on my laptop and pick out some winter pieces from Cezanne. The brand Cezanne gives me credit every month to pick out some new items of clothing or some accessories so that we can do some girly shopping together and browse the Cezanne website and pick out some cute pieces for the winter. Also, this evening light is everything right now. It's so cute and cozy. Down my cart, and I think I'm gonna order 3 things. This little hearts bowl I thought was so adorable. Like, I could see myself. Oh wait, they have red. Oh, they're out of red. I would totally get the red, but I think the yellow would be a cute little pop of color. This would be cute for like some fruit or some yogurt. And I really want this fleece. Tell me why the men's section of like any clothing brand is just 10 times better. So I really love this fleece. I think I'm gonna get a size men's medium because I want it oversized and comfy. Wait, that's a cute color. But those are the out of stock colors, I think. Yeah. Oh, mountain print. This green is really nice too, but I think I'm gonna stick to burgundy. Burgundy is just like really calling me right now. This would be a really cute, timeless piece for the winter as it gets colder. And then I thought these were fun. These are like skier socks. I don't have any Christmas themed socks, so I came across these, and these are just perfect because I do want to enter my skiing or snowboarding era this winter. So obviously I'm gonna take you guys with me. Thanks for helping me choose them. I'm so excited for these winter pieces. Right now, I'm going to eat my yummy spaghetti dinner, and I'm gonna hop on my laptop and get some editing done. I have a lot of content to edit, as you guys may imagine, with Vlogmas and uploading every single day. I am a bit behind schedule, so I'm trying to catch back up. I feel like the theme for today's Vlogmas is just like romanticizing the like mundane things that we do. So I really want to romanticize editing because I just don't want to like force out Christmas content when the vibes are just not there right now. Like, my priority is to get work done. That being said, we can have like a little study sesh or work sesh together. I'm gonna eat while I do some work on my laptop, and so if you have any like uni stuff you need to do, or if you want to read a book, or you have some work stuff and you want to get done, join me. We can do a little like work sprint. In the book club, we call them book sprints, where we read together for like an hour or so. But I kind of want to do a little work sprint and get some things done. So if you have things that you need to get done, let's do it together. Obviously, it's not gonna be like the full 1 hour in this video, but you get the vibes. Like, if you want some company, I am here. Let's get it done together. Let's end the day off on a good, productive note. finished editing my Vlogmas episode, so we are all good to go. But now I want to read before bed. I want to start How My Neighbor Stole Christmas so I don't get behind with like my TBR this month. I really want to read everything on my TBR. You guys saw that my TBR is going to be 8 books for December, so we need to start making some progress, and I'm just really interested to see how good this book is. So I'm going to start this book right now.